All right, so guys, this here is number 17 out of the review. And it says use the given graph to evaluate the following expressions. So for part A, we're trying to find f plus g of 2. So the way we're going to go ahead and do this is we're going to find f of 2, and we're going to find g of 2, and then we're just going to add those numbers together. So let me see if I can actually zoom in here a little bit. Okay, here we go. All right, perfect. Okay, so when we're trying to find f of 2 and g of 2, so f of 2 means what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the x-axis when x equals 2. I'm going to go up. And the value that we're finding is 4. So this is going to be 4 here. And I'm going to go back to the x-axis when x equals 2, and I'm going to go down. And I'm going to go to the left. And so g of 2 is -1. So 4 plus -1 is going to be equal to 3. Okay. Let's see. Let me see what part B was. I know I'm zooming in and out a whole lot here. There we go. Let's do it like this. And let me clean up this little mess here. All right. So now let's do the same thing for part B. Part B, so we're going to find f of -1. Oops. We're going to find g of -1. And we're going to subtract them because we have a minus in the middle. So I'm going to go here to -1. And I'm going to go up till I hit the function f, which is the blue function, and we're hitting 1. Minus g of -1. I'm going to keep going up, and it looks like we're hitting 2. So 1 minus 2 is -1. There we go. And let me clean up this now. Okay. And we'll do this again for part C. We're going to find f of 0, we're going to find g of 0, and we're going to multiply them together. So f of 0 is right here. It's actually 0. G of 0 is up here. It's actually 1, and 0 times 1 is 0. And we're going to do this a fourth time for part D. So we're going to find f of -1 and g of -1, and we're just going to divide them. If you notice, we actually did that here in part B. We found each of those values. So f of -1 was 1. G of -1 was 2, and so my answer is 1/2. This was number 17 out of the review. I hope you all are doing okay. If you got any questions, let me know.